If you could create a full website, funnel, or even an e-com store in just 60 seconds, would you try it? Well, today, I'm reviewing AiProfitSites, the brand new AI website builder that lets anyone build stunning, high-converting websites with literally one click. No coding, no hosting costs, and no tech headaches. And trust me, this one is crazy good. So what exactly is AiProfitSites? It's a one-click AI website builder designed for freelancers, affiliate marketers, agency owners, e-com sellers, and beginners who just need fast, professional websites without monthly fees. You get lifetime hosting, 100-plus templates, drag-and-drop editing, and even a commercial license so you can build sites for clients and charge $345 to $1,000 per project. Here are the standout features. First, one-click AI website creation. You literally press a button and a complete website appears. Homepage, sections, images, everything. Perfect for beginners or anyone short on time. Second, drag-and-drop live editor. Want to move a section, swap images, change text? Just drag, drop, done. No coding, ever. Third, 100-plus DFY templates. These templates are clean, modern, and built for conversions. Works for any niche, fitness, real estate, e-com, coaching, restaurants, you name it. 4. Commercial license included. This is the moneymaker. Build unlimited sites for clients and charge $345 to $1,000 per site. Just 3 to 4 clients, and you've already made back 20x what you paid. 5. Free lifetime hosting plus security. No monthly hosting bills. No SSL fees. No maintenance worries. Here's the quick, honest breakdown. Pros. Super easy for beginners. AI builds full websites fast. No monthly fees. Commercial license included. Works for any niche. Great for agencies and freelancers. Cons. Launch discount is time limited. Advanced features are in the OTO upgrades. And here's the best part. When you grab AiProfitSites through my link, you'll also unlock my exclusive $43,000 bonus bundle. That includes 300-plus premium tools, software, templates, courses, and resources designed to skyrocket your traffic, conversions, and income. So if you want a fast, beginner-friendly AI website builder with 0 monthly fees, AiProfitSites is absolutely worth grabbing. Click the link in the description to get instant access, secure your Ully Boy discount, and unlock your $43,000 bonus bundle before the launch pricing expires.